Hey, what's up guys? Just a real quick video about the controls on the F-22. I've had a couple questions about how much throw that I'm using and the setup that I'm using. So first off, I have an Elevon setup, which is a traditional delta wing, and then I'm using flaperons. So I'm on my high rates right now. I have about 8 millimeters or so built in for up elevator, measured from the rearmost bottom point. I will leave specs in the description for the amount of control throws. So I'm on my high rates, and if I give it full up elevator, you can see how much up elevator throw I have. So here's my ailerons, looking at it from the side. And another thing is, my ailerons are always tied in to the elevons. I know some of you guys had put yours on a switch, and that's fine, but you'll find that this airframe doesn't have a high roll rate if you use just the elevons. So I have the ailerons and the elevons constantly tied in. Mine is not on a switch. And there is settings within the files for what holes I'm using for all the servos. I'm using the 4th hole for the elevons and the 3rd hole for the ailerons. I have everything on 100% throw for my high rates. Now, I forget what the measurement is for my elevator. Like I said, I'll leave it in the description. But one measurement I do remember is, if I give it full up elevator and full left aileron, full up and full left, this elevon is traveling 58 millimeters as measured from the rearmost bottom point, 58 millimeters. So here's what it looks like. Full up and full left. You can't go much more than that. It will create a stall effect. We don't want that. Lastly is my flap setup. I do have my flaps on a 3-position switch. That's neutral, or that's flaps up rather, mid rates and high rates. And I do have a little bit of a mix in there. You can see my elevator go up just a little bit. And like I said, all the specs are in the model files for the rates that I am running on my F-22. So if you want to see how much throw my rudder has, again, I'm just on 100% throw. So that's it guys. I hope that clarifies and clears up some issues you guys might have, or any questions. And thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.